Good morning, students. Okay, very good morning. Yes, already we have discussed sets, roster form, set builder form, null set, finite set, infinite set, equal sets. Today we shall discuss subsets. What is the definition of subset? For example, here A and B are two non-empty sets. For example, A are empty sets also no problem, but we are also taking here non-empty sets A 1, 2, 3. B is equals to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, as you like. What is the definition of subset? Here, observe here, 1 belongs to A, that implies 1 belongs to B. Yes, 2 belongs to A, that implies 2 belongs to B. Yes, 3 belongs to A, that implies 3 belongs to B. So, what we have observed here? Yes, every element of A is also an element of B. Yes or no? Yes, every element of A is also an element of B. So that is called A is subset of B. A is subset of B. It is denoted by symbol. This is it is denoted by subset symbol. This is. I understand? Yes, very good. Every element of A is also an element of B is called a subset. Here, every element of A, yes or no? Every element of A is also an element of B, then A is subset of B. For example, every element of B is also an element of A, then it is called a subset. Here, observe here, 4 belongs to B, but 4 does not belongs to A. 5 belongs to B, so 5 does not belongs to A. So, what we have observed here? Here, B is not a subset of, B is not a subset of A. I understand? This is not a subset symbol. This is subset symbol. I understand? Yes, very good. Do you want definition? Yes, very good. Now I am writing. Don't worry. Subset. What is the definition of subset? A set. A set. A is said to be. A set A is said to be a subset of. A set A is said to be subset of set B. Set B if every element of a set A, every element of a set A is also an element of set B. It is denoted by a subset of B. Understand? A subset of B. This is subset. For example, note points. Here, observe here. For example, here A is equals to set of 1, 2. B is equals to set of 1, 2, 3. Yes, C is equals to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do you have observed here? Just you tell me. Yes, very good, very good. 1 is the element of A and 2 is the element of A. 1 and 2 are the elements of B. So here A is subset of B. Very good. And A is subset of C. Very good. A is subset of C. A is subset of C. And B is subset of C. Very good, very good. B is subset of C. And understand? Observe here. Every element of A is an also element of B. Yes. So A is subset of B. Every element of A is an element of C. Yes or no? Yes. A is subset of C. Here observe here. Every element of B is an element of C. So B subset of C. This is A subset of B, A subset of C, and B subset of C. Okay? Note point here. First point, very very important point. If A is subset of B, A is subset of B, and B is subset of A, then automatically equal sets A is equals to B. Two sets are equal. A is subset of B, B is subset of A, then A equals to B. Second point, most very very important one. 5 means सबको पता है 5 क्या है very good null set is a subset of every set very good 5 is a subset of every set. Third point, this is also important. Every set A is a subset of itself. For example, here A is equals to 1, 2. ठीक है 1, 2 are the elements in A. Yes, and 1, 2 are the elements in A. So A is subset of A. Or understand? Yes, very good. Clear? Subsets? Very good. Next, superset. Very easy. Let A and B are two sets. B two sets and A not equals to B. Okay, then B two sets. Okay, and A subset of B. Okay, I said, and A not equals to B. Let A and B be two sets and A subset of B, A and A not equals to B. A not equals to B. Then B is called very good. B is called superset of A. ये बड़ा है ना, very easy. ये सबसेट ऑफ B, ये छोटा ये बड़ा है, so this is the superset of A. A is called proper subset of B. लिखो, प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. A is called, A is subset of B है ना, that is called, A is called proper subset of B. Proper subset of B. For example, here 1 is equals to A equals to 1, 2, 3, set of 1, 2, 3. B is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Here observe here A subset of B. Yes, and A not equals to B. So B is called superset of E. Okay, or understand? Clear? Very good. Next, singleton set. Singleton set क्या है? What is the definition of singleton? Definition में है, singleton means single. A set has only one element. Singleton set. Singleton set. A set has only, very good, only one element. That is called singleton set. For example, set S B. Here they go one element, here they go one element C. That for example 5. Set has only, a set has only one element is called a singleton set. For example, आप देख लीजिए और understand? Clear? Very good. Next. नेक्स्ट क्या है? सबसेट्स ऑफ सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर्स. एक्चुअली रियल नंबर्स का अंदर क्या क्या है? वेरी गुड. नेचुरल नंबर्स बताइए. नेचुरल नंबर्स, आउट होल नंबर्स, वेरी गुड. इंटीजर्स, वेरी गुड. रैशनल नंबर्स, irrational numbers, very good. irrational numbers. Here natural numbers is denoted by n. Natural numbers, yes or no? N, 1 2 3 4 5 and so on. Yes. Integers z बताइए. 0 positive numbers 1 2 3 and so on. -1, -2, -3. Next one, rational numbers. Yes, very good. Q, x such that x is equals to p by q. Q not equals to 0. p comma q belongs to z. Integers definition सबको पता है ना? Yes. Irrational numbers are denoted by t. X such that x belongs to R. X does not belongs to Q except rational numbers. X does not belongs to Q, that is irrational numbers. Observe here, what are the subsets of real numbers? Here n natural numbers, yes. Here z integers, so n is the subset of z. Yes, very good. n is subset of z. Next, and z is subset of q, so n is subset of z is subset of q. Very good. Yes or no? Every element in n is an element of z, and every element in z is an element of q. So n is subset of z is subset of q. n is subset of z is subset of q. Very good. Next one, irrational means क्या है? मीनिंग क्या है? हाउ मीन्स that is √2, √3, √5, pi, etc, etc. Okay, like that numbers. So here t is subset of r, so irrational numbers is subset of r. Understand? q is subset of r. Yes, q is subset of r. Very good. Rational numbers are subset of real numbers. Irrational numbers is subset of rational numbers. Here observe here, natural numbers are subset of t. n is subset of t. n is natural numbers subset of irrational numbers? No. Natural numbers not a subset of t. Understand? This is the subsets of set of real numbers. रियल नंबर्स का अंदर क्या क्या है? नेचुरल नंबर्स है, इंटीजर्स है, रैशनल नंबर्स है, इरेशनल नंबर्स है. नेचुरल नंबर्स इज सबसेट ऑफ z, n is subset of z, z is subset of q, so n is subset of z is subset of q. Yes. And t, irrational numbers subset of rational numbers. Rational numbers are subset of irrational numbers is subset of real numbers. Here rational numbers are subset of rational numbers. Irrational numbers is subset of irrational numbers are subset of real numbers. Rational numbers are subset of real numbers. Yes or no? Here, natural numbers, not a subset of irrational numbers. Observe here. Very, very important concept it is. Okay. Next. Intervals as a subsets of subset of real numbers, subsets of R. Okay. Here intervals as a subsets of R. Okay. Intervals. What are the intervals? Here four intervals are there. क्या sir? Open interval, closed interval, left open, right closed, left open. Four intervals are there. One by one we have discussed now. Here, let A comma B belongs to R. You can take any elements. You can take any elements in R, and A less than B. For example, you can take any number. For example, 1 comma 2. So okay, 1 comma 2 pakka 1 less than 2. Yes sir. No, 2 comma 3 2 less than 3. Any number 10 comma 11, 10 comma 20, 10 less than 20. Yes sir. No, A comma B belongs to R. A less than B. First one, open interval. Open interval. Open interval क्या है सर? Open interval क्या है? This is bracket, open interval, open brackets. These are called open brackets. Open interval A comma B. उसका set builder form क्या है? X such that very good. X lies between A and B. That is called A less than X less than B. एक A से बड़ा, B से छोटा. Understand? Or understand? Yes, very good. Means X lies between very good A and B, excluding A and B. X lies between A and B only. Okay, X lies between O and B. For example, here 2 comma 3. Here 2 comma 3. 2 less than X less than B. Real numbers. Sir, 2 less than X less than 3. So no numbers. No. Real numbers are there. 2 less than X less than 3. So X lies between 2 and 3. 2 and 3 means 2.001, 2.0001, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.99999. So many numbers are there. Yes or no? So X lies between 2 and 3, excluding 2 and 3. Okay, that is called open interval, excluding A and B here. Second one, closed interval. Yes, closed interval. Square brackets. This means X such that A less than or equal to X less than or equals to B. Means same. X lies between A and B, including A and B. Okay. For example, 2 and 3. Here X lies between 2 and 3 means 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.99999 also, and here 2 and 3 also. X will be take 2 and 3 also, that is including. Yes or no? Here real line का symbol क्या है? For example, this is A, this is B, this is A, this is B. Okay, सर्किल का मतलब क्या है? Excluding A, excluding B. Okay, अंदर क्या है? X. Here पूरा सर्किल का अंदर ए का मीनिंग क्या है? इंक्लूडिंग ए, इंक्लूडिंग बी. So this is x, including a, including b, and x lies between a and b. That is called closed interval. Okay. Next one. नेक्स्ट वन क्या है? लेफ्ट ओपन, थर्ड वन, लेफ्ट ओपन, राइट क्लोज्ड, लेफ्ट ओपन, राइट क्लोज्ड, लेफ्ट ओपन, राइट क्लोज्ड. ओके, लेफ्ट ओपन, राइट क्लोज्ड is equals to x such that a less than x lesser or equals to b. Means same, x lies between yes a and b, including a, excluding including b, excluding a. Observe here, including b, excluding a. Next, symbol क्या है? here excluding. So many points are there, so many numbers are there, that is symbol. So many points are there, this is meaning. Yes, fourth one, right open, otherwise right, left closed, right open, left closed, right open, left closed, right open, x such that a less than or equal to x less than b. Means yes, x lies between, very good, a and b, including, very good, including a, excluding b. उसका रील लाइन क्या है? इंक्लूडिंग a, excluding b, and this lines represents numbers. So many numbers are there. X lies between a and b, including a, excluding b. This is called intervals as a subsets of R. Understand? Yes. Is it clear? Very good. Next, most very important concept, power set. Very important. Power set. Power set, most important. Power set. Very important. Very important. Okay. What is the definition? Okay, let us take one set. Let A is equals to 1, 2, 3. Okay. What is the definition of subset? Every element in A is an element of B. Here, every set A is a subset of itself. Yes or no? Yes. And ऑलरेडी नोट पॉइंट बताया. नोट पॉइंट, फर्स्ट पॉइंट क्या है? नोट पॉइंट ऑब्जर्व. वेरी गुड. एम्प्टी सेट इज ए सबसेट ऑफ एवरी सेट एंड एवरी सेट इज ए सबसेट ऑफ इटसेल्फ. यस सर, नो? यस. सो सबसे पहले वही लिखेंगे. सबसेट्स क्या क्या है? सबसेट्स क्या है? एम्प्टी सेट. that is called phi. एक सबसेट्स लिखेंगे phi. Q every, very good, empty set is a subset of every set, so phi is a subset of A. Yes or no? And set of 1, this is one set, is the subset of A. Yes or no? Set of 2 is the subset of A. Set of 3 is a subset of A. Yes or no? Phi and 1, only one element is the subset of A, 2 is the subset of A, 3 is the subset of A. Yes or no? Next one, you can take two elements, 1 comma 2, this is one set, is the subset of A, and 2 comma 3, yes, 2 comma 3 is the set, is the subset of A, and 1 comma 3, yes, 1 comma 3 is the set, 1 comma 3 is the set and subset of A. Yes, and last finally every set is a subset of itself. Yes, this is 1, 2, 3, these are the subset of A. Yes or no? These are the subsets of A. Understand? Yes. How many subsets are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what do you observe here? How many elements are there in A? 3 elements are there. How many subsets are? How many subsets? How many subsets are there? Yes, 8. So here node point क्या है? Node point, very very important point. If n of A means number of elements in A. A is the set. How many elements are there? 3. So n of A का मतलब क्या है? Number of elements in A. For example, m. Then n of power set. How many? N of power set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, number of subsets. Formula 2 power m. If n of A is equals to m, then number of subsets का formula क्या है? 2 power m. Here, so what is the definition of power set? Very good. The collection of subsets of a set A is called a power set. Very good. The collection of subsets of set A. The collection of subsets of set A is called power set. Power set. It is denoted by P of A. Observe here, A set is there. Yes or no? How many subsets are there? 8. The collection of subsets. Yes, the collection of subsets is called a power set. Set of subsets. The collection of subsets of a set A is called a power set. The set of the collection subsets is called a power set. How many subsets are there? 8 subsets are there. So P of A, n of P of A means number of elements in P of A. P of A means power set. This collection of subsets of set A is called a power set. Or understand? Yes. This is most very important point. Sometimes n of P of A formula. This is called n of P of A means number of subsets. For example, if n of A is equals to 3 here, n of A is equals to 3. N of A equals to 3. Okay, number of subsets. Find the number of subsets. Formula क्या है? 2 power m, 2 cube. m value 3, 1, 2, 3. So 2 power 3 means 8. 8 आ गए देखो, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 आ गया. Okay. One more example. One more. For example, A is equals to PQ. How many elements are there? Yes, 2. Number of subsets? 4. Very good, very good. Yes, very good. Number of subsets? 4. क्यों? 2 power 2, 4. देखो आएगा नहीं आएगा? Subsets. P of Q. First of all, 5. Very good. Second one, P. Very good. Third one, Q. Very good. Next one, empty set is a subset of every set and single elements. Okay. Next, double element. Only one double element वही की है ना? P का मान. How many subsets are there? How many subsets are there? 4 subsets are there. The set of collection of subsets of a set ये is called a power set. आ गया देखो 4 elements are there. फॉर्मूला क्या है? 2 power m. So 2 square. So 4 आ गया. Number of subsets. Number of subsets. ठीक है? ओके. नेक्स्ट, यूनिवर्सल सेट. यूनिवर्सल सेट, यूनिवर्सल सेट क्या है? यूनिवर्सल सेट, यस, यूनिवर्सल्स. Here, for example, let us take A set 1 2, B set 1 2 3 4 5, C set 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay. You can take universal set. Universal set denoted by U. Yes. For example, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Observe here. Okay, we are also taking 3 sets only. Sometimes we are also taking so many sets are there, but now we can take only 3 sets. Here, observe here. Universal set का मीनिंग क्या है? ये सेट क्या है इधर? 1, 2. So A is a subset of U. A is a subset of U. B is a subset of U. C is a subset of U. हमारे पास क्या क्या है? 3 सेट्स है. 3 sets are subsets of U. So this is called a universal set. Understand? Now, what is the definition? Here, a set contain, okay, लिखेंगे, the set contain elements or objects. The set containing elements or objects, okay, and of which other sets are subsets. Other sets are subsets. Very clear definition. The set containing the elements or objects and of which other sets are subsets. Here A, B, C are the sets. This is also one set, but this is universal because of a set containing the elements or objects and of which other sets are the subsets. A, B, C are the subsets of. A is a subset of U, B is a subset of U. Okay. For example, direct you can not write. Okay. D you can write. For example, D. A is subset of D. Okay. B is subset of D. So C is subset of D. All other sets are the subsets of D. So D is the universal set. So D is the universal set. Understand? Very simple. The set containing the elements or objects of which other sets are the subsets. Here A is subset of D, B is subset of D, C is subset of D. All set हमारे पास क्या क्या है, क्या क्या सेट्स है, सब सेट्स है ना, सभी ए बी सी आर दी सबसेट्स ऑफ डी, सो डी इज द यूनिवर्सल सेट. Okay, or understand? Clear? Very good.